How to enroll for online banking on Bank of America. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can enroll for online banking on the Bank of America, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to enroll for online banking on Bank of America, all you have to do is just go to bankofamerica.com and then you're going to see this type of interface. Now, by the way, online banking is a little bit different process. This is not the process to create a new bank account. This is only the process to create an online banking account, which means that if you have an offline banking account, which means you already have an BOFA banking account, in that case you want to make transactions online, and that is what we're doing. We want to apply for online banking, and to do this, come to bankofamerica.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you've done that, if you already have an online banking account, you can enter user ID and password and log into your account. But if you want to enroll, right here you'll find this option called Enroll. Once you click the Enroll button, it will take you to the new page where you can simply fill in some of the details over here. So first thing you can do is you have to make sure to simply enter your card or account number. That's why I say that you need to have an existing bank account in this case. Once you've entered your card or account number, which is only the last 6 digits as you can find here, then you also have to go ahead and then enter your social security number or tax identification number. Click the continue button. After that, it is going to take you to the next page where you can simply choose an username and password. Once you've filled in all of the details, your online banking account will get successfully activated and ready for use. That's all it takes to enroll for online banking on Bank of America. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.